Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to fix Wells Fargo transaction decline. So usually this happens when they think that it's a suspect transaction. So as you can see, basically, as you can see, some declines uh, reasons are reported or suspected fraud, payments that are past due, an over limit, suspended or closed account. So in order to fix this problem, what you're gonna have to do is to simply contact Wells Fargo. So you're gonna have to simply call them. So as you can see here, I have some phone numbers that you can use, and basically they are free. So here you have different options for personal accounts, for business accounts, for online customer service. So what you're gonna have to do is to simply call them and then tell them about this transaction, and then they automatically and really fast will help you fix this problem. So this is the only way to fix this problem, is by calling them, and basically they're gonna help you. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.